Crash Course, a comprehensive guide to Utah State, USA. Introduction. Welcome to our crash course on Utah State, USA. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the geographical location, capital, population, history, politics, economy, education, culture, and top attractions of Utah. Join us on a journey through the diverse landscapes, rich history, unique culture, and remarkable attractions of this captivating state. Let's dive in. Geographic location. Utah, also known as the Beehive State, is located in the western United States. It is bordered by Idaho and Wyoming to the north, Colorado to the east, Arizona to the south, and Nevada to the west. The state is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, with diverse landscapes that include majestic mountains, deserts, canyons, and salt flats. Capital and population. The capital and largest city of Utah is Salt Lake City. Situated in the northern part of the state, Salt Lake City serves as a hub of culture, commerce, and government. As of 2021, the estimated population of Utah is approximately 3.3 million people, making it the 30th most populous state in the U.S. The state's population is known for its strong sense of community and connection to its natural surroundings. History. Utah has a rich and unique history, shaped by the influence of Native American tribes, exploration by European settlers, and the establishment of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, LDS Church. The region was originally inhabited by various indigenous groups, including the Ute, Paiute, Shoshone, and Goshutes tribes. In the mid-19th century, Brigham Young and the Mormon pioneers settled in the Salt Lake Valley, seeking religious freedom. The pioneers transformed the arid landscape into a thriving community through their determination and resourcefulness. Today, the legacy of the Mormon pioneers is deeply intertwined with Utah's identity. Politics. Utah has a conservative political landscape, with a majority of the population identifying as members of the LDS Church. However, the state has also witnessed a growing diversity of viewpoints and political affiliations in recent years. Utah's political climate reflects a balance between traditional values and the evolving needs of a modern society. Economy. Utah's economy is diverse and robust, with thriving sectors such as technology, healthcare, tourism, mining, and outdoor recreation. The state is home to a growing number of high-tech companies and has been dubbed the Silicon Slopes, due to the concentration of technology firms in the Salt Lake City area. Utah's natural beauty attracts millions of visitors each year, contributing significantly to the tourism industry. Education. Utah places great importance on education and boasts a strong educational system. The state is home to several prestigious universities and colleges, including the University of Utah and Brigham Young University. These institutions offer a wide range of academic programs and contribute to research and innovation in various fields. Culture. Utah's culture is deeply influenced by its religious heritage, natural surroundings, and the spirit of community. The LDS Church plays a significant role in shaping the state's culture, with its emphasis on family values, service, and community involvement. Utah is also renowned for its outdoor recreational opportunities, including hiking, skiing, rock climbing, and river rafting. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that make Utah a truly captivating destination. 1. Arches National Park. Discover over 2,000 natural sandstone arches, breathtaking landscapes, and hiking trails in this iconic national park. 2. Zion National Park. Immerse yourself in the majestic beauty of towering red cliffs, narrow slot canyons, and emerald pools in this renowned park. 3. Bryce Canyon National Park. Witness the unique geological formations called hoodoos, created by erosion, and enjoy stunning vistas from various viewpoints. 4. Capitol Reef National Park. Explore the dramatic landscapes of towering cliffs, canyons, and natural rock formations in this lesser-known but equally captivating park. 5. Salt Lake City. Visit the capital city, home to attractions such as Temple Square, the Utah State Capitol, the Great Salt Lake, and a vibrant arts and culture scene. 6. Park City. Experience world-class skiing and snowboarding during the winter months and enjoy outdoor adventures, dining, and shopping in this charming mountain town. 7. Moab. Delve into the adventure capital of Utah, known for its proximity to national parks, including Arches and Canyonlands, as well as its renowned mountain biking trails. 8. Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park. Marvel at the iconic sandstone buttes that have been featured in numerous films and immerse yourself in Navajo culture. 9. Lake Powell. Indulge in water-based activities such as boating, fishing, and kayaking amidst the stunning Red Rock canyons and sparkling blue waters of this reservoir. 10. Antelope Island State Park. Explore the largest island in the Great Salt Lake, home to a diverse array of wildlife, including bison, antelope, and a variety of bird species. 11. Dinosaur National Monument. Step back in time and discover an extensive fossil quarry, petroglyphs, and stunning canyon views in this unique park. 12. Natural Bridges National Monument. Admire the natural stone bridges formed by the erosive power of water and enjoy stargazing in this remote and tranquil park. Summarization. Utah State, USA, offers a captivating blend of natural wonders, rich history, unique culture, and thriving cities. From the awe-inspiring national parks and outdoor recreational opportunities to the vibrant cultural scene and strong sense of community, Utah has something to offer every visitor. Its diverse landscapes, influenced by Native American heritage and the pioneering spirit of the Mormon settlers, create a truly unforgettable experience. End your crash course on Utah State, USA with this poem. In the heart of the West, where nature unfolds. Utah's beauty, a story waiting to be told. From rugged canyons to snow-capped peaks. A tapestry of landscapes that forever speaks. Salt Lake City, a capital of pride. Where faith and community coincide. With the Great Salt Lake, a shimmering sight. A testament to nature's wondrous might. Arches and Zion, where wonders reside. Red cliffs and sandstone arches side by side. Bryce Canyon's hoodoos, a surreal dance. Nature's sculptures, crafted by chance. From Monument Valley to Park City's grace. Adventure awaits in every embrace. Moab's trails, where mountain bikers roam. And Lake Powell's waters, an azure home. The pioneer's spirit, their legacy strong. In Utah's culture, forever belongs. With education's torch, knowledge thrives. Institutions of learning where passion thrives. Utah, a state of vibrant hue. Where faith and nature intertwine, it's true. Let your soul be stirred by its wonders untold. A destination where memories unfold. Compose a song based on the lyrics above. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.